invest in the business that I'm doing. You know, when I was starting, a lady advised me, Mr. Nyamekye, why don't you go to Malaysia and bring oil instead of you trying to sit here and say you want to produce oil? But naturally, I like the kind of thing that I'm doing. So I told her, oh, I mean, this is the right way to do. How I wish I'd listened to her then. How I wish I'd listened to her then.
So how's competition therefore like? I mean, some will say that products from Malaysia and China, cost of production is cheaper, and so even when they bring the completed or finished product to Ghana, they can sell at a reduced cost. Doing business, manufacturing, producing these things in Ghana is at a higher cost, so it makes it very uncompetitive for you people. Run us through it.
One, look at the interest rate in Ghana, and even the process you go through before even you get a loan from a bank. Elsewhere, it's not like that. I know Chinese. I was supplying some Chinese company in the Suchari area, some soy meal, and these guys told me that if for them even moving out of China, they get grants, they get interest-free loans, and the maximum they get on their loans is about 2 to 5%. Ghana right now, what is the interest rate? So how are you going to be competitive? And even to get the money from bank, until recently, banks were touting us as risky. Until recently, that we know that government is also could be risky. Otherwise, everybody thought government is the most secure place. So banks were buying bonds, treasury bills, and not lending to industry until recently. So hardly you could even get loan to support your business. And besides that, like raw material issues that I'm talking to you about, we have some in Ghana sometimes, but listen, if I need 1 month stock to keep at my factory,